Check it out. 2021 Chrysler 300S, 5.7 liter hemi. Factory converter, factory X pipe, 2.5. Then he brought his own Carven R's there and right there, 3-inch. You guys can see that's the box. That's the part number. We will have a link in the description for it for you guys. Carven R's installed. Done in the middle. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues. A rear muffler delete on each side there and right there. And then he finished it off with some LCGP black tips right there. Here's the part number on them by LCGP. There you go. If you guys want a link, there'll be a link in the description for it. So there's the black tips, there's the rear delete, and there's the mid Carven R's. Check it out. Nice, clean looking. All right, there's the mid mufflers that come on this, and there's the 2 resonators that usually come on this that we cut off there and there. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. 2011 Chrysler 300C Hemi 5.7 beast of a car. They all need to come with V8s. Forget this electric stuff. Don't you guys agree? Let us know in the comments. Factory converter there, factory X pipe there. Then we put 2 Flowmaster 71416. There'll be a link in the description right there. One there and one there instead of the mid mufflers. Then continued 2.25 pipe, added 2.25 instead of the resonators in the back there and there. And then it's got built-in tips out the back right there, right there. He's going to come back in a couple of weeks and we're going to take those out and put 4.5-inch tips in their place to complete the look. 300C Chrysler. There's the rears that were on it, there, and the mids are right there, as you guys can see. We took those off and replaced them. So he lost about 50 pounds. We did some liposuction on it. Cut and weld. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The more you subscribe and like, the better the algorithms help us to keep giving you guys more videos. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. 2013 Chrysler 300. Let me show you guys what we've done. Converter, X-pipe, all factory. Then we put 2 NTR race mufflers, NT250s. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Then we deleted the rear mufflers on each side and put 5-inch black tips, our signature 5-inch black tips out the back to give it that deep, clean tone. Just give it that sexy stance, as you guys can see right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it, and there's the 2 resonators that were on it that we took off. All right, guys, stay tuned. In order for you guys to put these tips on, you have to change it to this diffuser. And we'll see if we can get you guys a link for that diffuser also. That's perfect. It's clean. Carven R's. What do you think? It likes it. There's sound decibels? Right at 111. Very nice. There's light to it, man. I like it. It's a good looking car. 300, I like that. There, guys. That's cool. Like off the movie.
This is Sparta!
Nice wheels on it. Really clean. Just a good looking car. I love these cars. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead. Perfect. That sounds so nice. Here we go. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 99. See how it keeps going up? Yeah. That sounds so good. Yeah, that's perfect. 300C. Oh, just feel it in your chest. It's deep. Perfect. What do you guys think in the comments? Let us know. Hope you guys like it. Chrysler 300 with NTR race mufflers and rear delete. Clean item. That's clean. NTR race mufflers. They sound really good. Sound decibels, go ahead. 107. One more. Go ahead and back it up. You guys don't know we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right there. It sounds so clean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chrysler 300S Hemi, baby. Oh, that's so awesome. I like the shift points, man. This sounds so good. You can still hear it. Very nice. Flowmaster FX rear delete. So Flowmaster FX system. Oh yeah, hemi, baby. It sounds so good. Right, here we go, Chrysler 300. NTR race muffler mids, rear delete, and 5-inch tips. That's clean. That NTR sounds good on those. I like it. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com, guys. Also, we do have YouTube, guys, and Instagram and TikTok, all Exhaust Addicts. So make sure you hit us up on all of them.